Hi friends, so I had a request for an interactive lesson. So this is my first time ever doing this for math. So please bear with me if I make some mistakes. And if you follow along with this video, please give me your feedback. Hey Miss Tori, this was great. Hey Miss Tori, this was awful. Um, do this again. Please never do this again. Just let me know so that I know what works and what doesn't. So this week we are working on making change. And last week we worked on adding and subtracting money. So it's the same thing, just a little different phrasing. So first things first, you're going to open up your lesson notes, and I have mine up over here. And now we're going to start with some mental math to get our brain moving. So remember, no paper, no pencil, just try to do it in your head and then click the fact to see if you get it right. So pause me and then come back whenever you are done. And remember, you just have to click on the fact to get the answer. All right, now that your brain is awake, we're going to practice making change. And all this it means is that we have to practice because we know how to do simple addition and subtraction in our head, like 5 minus 1. But we trick our brain whenever we make it $5 minus $1. So we just have to practice and get into this habit. So let's say we're going shopping and we have a $5 bill and we buy a comic book for $1. How much change should you get? Well, you don't need a calculator. You know the answer. 5 minus 1 is 4. And it's the same difference whenever you say dollar. So $5 minus $1 is $4. So let's try that again. If you buy a hair clip that is 25 cents and you give the salesperson $1, how much change will you get back? 75 cents. Just think. 100 minus 25 is 75. But instead, it's $1 minus 25 cents is 75 cents. So you can do these problems mentally. You don't need any manipulatives like fake or real money or notes. You can do this. So now we're going to look at our lesson notes and do this chart. So we're going to have a spend column. This is what we are, whatever we're purchasing, how much it costs. And the give column, which is how much money we're giving to the cashier, although it's more than enough. And then we'll figure out the difference for the change that she's going to give us back, or he. So again, we're just going to do simple subtraction. You just have to think about it as, like, for example, that 5 minus 1 is the same as $5 minus $1. We just have the extra terminology. So we are spending $5 and giving the cashier $10. How much change do we have left? This is super, super simple. Friends, what is 5 minus 10? 10, no. I'm trying to do too many things at once. Hang on. All right, there we go. What is 10 minus 5? 5. So $10 minus $5 is $5. Okay. 50 cents and $1. What is $1 minus 50 cents? We'll think, what is 100 minus 50? 50. So $1 minus 50 cents is 50 cents. All right. Give this a try with the next two. You have $1 minus 75 cents, $5 minus $2, and $1 minus 30 cents. Give this a try and then come on back. All right, friends. So, please excuse my sloppy writing. It's hard to write on this. I never imagined that. So $1 minus 75 cents is 25 cents. $5 minus $2 is $3. $1 minus 30 cents is 70 cents. So just remember, it's that simple subtraction. 1 minus 75 is 25. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 30 is 70. You just have to add in the decimal and the money sign. You can do it in your head. I know you can. Oops. Gotta clear my drawings. There we go. Okay, now the next thing is a video on making change dollars and cents. So watch the video, do the self-check, and then come on back. So now we're going to do more on making change. So now we have the story. The third graders at Sunnyvale Elementary School had a bake sale. They had to make change to give back to their customers. Brian bought a 30-cent cookie. He gave Lisa 50 cents and she had to give him change. Brian needed change after he paid for the cookies. What combination of coins do you think Brian gave Lisa? All right, so we have like 2 questions in one here. So first things first, I'm going to open up a Google here just so I have a blank white page. We're going to annotate. All right, so Brian, who I'm going to call B, B, gave Lisa 50 cents. And he bought a 30-cent cookie. Okay. So, he needs change. Okay. So, first off, what is 50 cents minus 30 cents? Well, 50 minus 30 is 20. So 20 cents. So let's think about the combination. Now that we know that Brian paid 50 cents for a 30-cent cookie and is getting 20 cents back, what combination of coins might have been used here? So, for 50 cents, what can we add together to get 50 cents? Well, that could be 2 quarters. That's 25 plus 25 to get 50. That could be 5 dimes. That's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That could be 10 nickels. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 10 times. Or that could be 50 pennies. So any combination, or we could mix it up. So we could have maybe 1 quarter and 1 dime. That'd be 35. 1 nickel. 40 and maybe 10 pennies. Could be anything. So now we know that he's getting 20 cents back, okay? 20 cents. So what combination of coins could he be getting back? Well, a quarter's worth 25 cents. So he's definitely not getting a quarter because that would be more than what he needs. He could be getting 2 dimes. He could be getting 4 nickels. He could be getting 20 pennies, or he could be getting a combination. So, Brian most likely gave Lisa 2 quarters if he gave her 50 cents and needed change. If he had combinations with nickels and dimes, he would have probably given her exact change. Exact change means you don't need any money back. Now Lisa had to make change. You can count up to make change easily. Lisa puts the coins in front of her. 2 quarters. The cost is 30 cents. Then she says 40, 50 as she picks up 2 dimes. She could say 35, 45, 50 as she picks up 2 nickels and a dime. It is a good idea to give change in as few coins as possible. 20 cents can be 20 pennies, 20 coins. 20 cents can be 4 nickels, 4 coins. 20 cents can be 1 dime and 2 nickels, 3 coins. 20 cents can be 2 dimes, 2 coins. 2 dimes is the least amount of coins. Here is some change. What coins should you get to have as few coins as possible? Write or draw the amount in your lesson notes. So, that's more on making change down here. So, there are many, many ways to make these. And there's no wrong answer, but we are looking for the least amount of coins. So let me annotate again. So knowing that a quarter is 25 cents, a dime is 10 cents, a nickel is 5 cents, and a penny is 1 cent. What would be the smallest combination of coins we could use to get these things? So let's start with 35 cents. We're going to count up. So 35 is bigger than 25, so we could definitely say 1 quarter. So 1 quarter, that would be 25. Then we need to get to 35. So we could count up 25, 35, and that would be 1 dime. So that would be our smallest combination. So 1 quarter and 1 dime, or 25 plus 10 is 35. All right. Now, how about 85 cents? Well, 85, again, it's bigger than 25, so we can use quarters. So let's see here. How many quarters could we use? 25, 50, 75, 100. So 75 is less than 85. 100 is more. So we can only use 3 quarters. And we need to get to 85. So how much of a difference is 75 to 85? 10 cents. So we need 1 dime. So 3 quarters and 1 dime is 85 cents. All right. Give it a try with the rest, my friends. All right, friends. So again, please excuse my messy writing. So again, there's no wrong answer as long as you get to the value. But we're trying to go for the smallest amount of coins. So the less coins you're holding, the better. So for C, that was really easy. 75 cents, 25, 50, 75, that's 3 quarters. 90 cents, 25, 50, 75, that's 3 quarters. 85, that's 1 dime. 90, that's 1 nickel. So 75 plus 10 plus 5. 54 cents. 2 quarters, 25, 50. 4 pennies, 51, 52, 53, 54. 39 cents. 25, 1 quarter, 35, 1 dime, 39, 4 pennies, 61 cents, 2 quarters, 25, 50, 1 dime, 60, 1 penny, 61. Now 48 cents, you can see here, Miss Tori almost messed up because I didn't think, oh, I forgot one. So I almost wrote 1 and then I corrected and wrote 2. 48 cents. You have 1 quarter, 25, 2 dimes, 35, 45, and 3 pennies, 46, 47, 48. That was tricky. I almost said 1 quarter and 1 dime, which would have had me at 35, which would have been fine, but then I would have had more coins. So, even Miss Tori makes mistakes, and that's okay. All right. So, please watch this video and self-check, then come on back. All right, so now you have a self-check, a better buy. What is a better buy? 1 pencil for 29 cents or 10 pencils for $2.50. So this one is a little tricky. So we have to compare money amounts. So we kind of have to go back to what we were doing last week. So I'm gonna open up a Google. I'm gonna do so 1 pencil for 29 or 10 for $2.50. Come here. Come here. Okay, annotate. So 1 pencil for 29 cents, or was it 10 pencils for $2.50? All right, so we have to figure out if it's a better deal to get 1 pencil for 29 cents or 10 pencils for $2.50. So we have to figure out how much 1 pencil costs in that bundle of 10. So how can we go about this? Let's do some simple division. I gotta annotate again. Okay, so I'm gonna do 10 divided by 2, 5, 0, and decimal. Decimal. See, I put my decimal in the same place. So 10 cannot go into 2, but 10 can go into 25. It can go into 25 twice, which is 20. 5, bring down the 0. 50, 10 goes into 50 5 times, and we don't have anything left. So that would be 25 cents per pencil is 29 cents for 1 pencil, a better deal than 25 cents per pencil when you get 10. No, the better value is the 10 bundle. I'm gonna get my mouse here. Mouse! All right, so you're gonna keep doing that and check your work, okay? I hope this helped. If it did not, please let me know. We can do this again. We can try this live. Give me some feedback. Okay, have a great day, guys.